What is up YouTube? Welcome back. It's your buddy Technoboy, and this is a quick video to show you this amplifier. Well, I'm not just showing you this amplifier, I'm showing you how it can do. So in the previous video you have seen this working with mini bookshelf speakers with the 4-inch woofer, but today I've connected the big ones. Here you can see the bigger, thicker wires. If you remember my subwoofers, then you can identify these wires. The red ones are for the 12-inch subwoofer Sony Explode, and the yellow ones for the 15-inch subwoofer from P Audio. So there they are. That's 15-inch, and beside that, it's a bit dark here. Beside that, that's the 12-inch subwoofer. So today I have connected them to this amplifier. So let's see if this amplifier, this mini tiny amplifier, can drive those big drivers. So let's turn this on. So let me tell you that the Sony subwoofer is connected to the left side. So when I turn this bounce to the left, Sony subwoofer is working, and Sony subwoofer has like 22 hertz or 30 hertz, I think, to 200 hertz max, I guess. That's why when I turn this to the left, there is only bass, not much of a vocals, and the other sound only huge bass. But when I turn this to the right, the 15-inch subwoofer works, and that's frequency is kind of wider than the Sony subwoofer, and as that's a mid to low frequency actually. So that one's range is like from 30 hertz to 1000 hertz or something like that. So when you turn it to the right, then you can hear the vocal and some other sounds too. But this thing is very powerful, and I'm really surprised to watch it play those big ass drivers. So let's play again. And just because two drivers are working, the huge bass is there, and everything is shaking in my room. The metal table, you can hear the metal noise coming from there.
Mama used to try and tell me no man is an island, but I think I feel like drifting away. Mama used to say tomorrow never comes, so make the most, but I think I am done with today.
And at the loud volume, this thing is not getting that much heat either. So that's a very good kit, and I like the tone controller kit right here, which is very nice and without any kind of noise in this scene. So let's play another song.